Good morning, everybody. Am I audible, man?
Good morning. You are audible, sir.
Right. Is it clear, man? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this? Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
Try. He says that you should take this I'm taking a I cap. Okay, so this will be minus j cap and this will be minus I cap. See, as per the problem, rain is falling vertically with a velocity. That means rain falls with respect to ground. Nothing is mentioned. It means it is with respect to ground. 4I, 4 minus j, kilometer per hour. Cyclist is going horizontally. That means cyclist is moving horizontally with a velocity 3I kmph. Do you agree with this? If the data is given.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
you are not properly audible, sir.
Not audible.
Audible, sir. Audible.
Audible, sir. Audible. Audible.
Log out and log in and pick again, man.
Okay.
This is so here. Making 37 degrees with vertical towards his face. That means, suppose the cyclist is going like this, okay, then you can see the rain should fall like this. This is the velocity of rain with respect to cyclist. The cyclist is moving like this. Understood this or not? This is at 37 degrees. Clear? Understood this or not? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Take another problem. Finish this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Sir,
Tell.
can we do yesterday's first problem in any other method?
What is that first problem? And I don't remember.
Sir, two cars A and B are moving west to east, south to north.
Shortest distance, that one only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, this
1
is
minute,
what
sir.
the same problem I am giving in another way to do it by second method only. Finish this?
Yes, sir.
Hello? See, yesterday 2 cars, now 2 ships. I just changed the values of the numericals. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yesterday's first problem, you are done using relative velocity concept. Now this boy wants by second method. Any other method is there? Yes, they are. Shall I turn the page?
1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
Yesterday I posted that is like speed improvement assignment.
1 minute, sir.
Yesterday's assignment you have seen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We have seen, sir.
I think that you should be doing now.
Yes, sir.
First look, you feel comfortable. The first look, is it easy or no?
Yes, sir. First is feeling okay, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Done, sir. Done.
See, when you do any assignments, any number of times, I'll be posting to your best of your abilities, your God is observing everything, no? He'll give it. Okay, come back to us. There are 2 shifts like yesterday only, but we'll do by different methods. First, we'll mark east, west, north, south. Okay. As per the question, there is one car here, another car here. 2 shifts, A is due west. See, for B, it is west, no? For B, what is west, man? If you observe this, at the location of B, this is east, west, north, south. So he feels yours towards the left. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, A moves with the uniform speed of 8 kmph initially, and B moves. Two shifts anywhere 4 kilometers apart. Okay, he is here. Because this is not west for B, no? Yeah. This is east, west, north, south. A is here. For B is west, it seems. So this is the west for B now. And they are 4 kilometers apart as per the question. This is at t equals to 0. These are the locations. Now B is starting in which direction? A is due west. If A moves, A is moving like this. With this is VA. And B moves towards south. This is VB. Okay. Minimum separation. Let us take after time t, what will be the locations we will mark. At t, this is travel how much distance, man? VA into t, no acceleration. So what will be this distance? Can you tell? Okay. What is A1B? Can you tell? 4 minus VAT. 4 minus, what is the speed of this? 80. Similarly, B comes somewhere here. Okay. What is BB1? B move. This is T equals T. This is the location at T equals to T. Here's how much? What is the speed of that ship B? 60. Do you agree with this? Any doubt is that till here? Hello? A1, B1, no? Do you agree with this? I'll call it. I'm taking the data for calculation purpose or some L. What is L square, man? L is minimum when if L square is minimum, if L is minimum, no? They agree with?
Yes, sir.
Now here L varies with T, no?
Yes, sir.
What you should have? dl by dt is 0, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
This implies that d by dt of L square is also 0. They agree with this or not? Hello? Now can't you differentiate
Yes, sir.
this? So far followed?
Yes, sir.
This you can differentiate or not? Nx power n minus 1 into d by dt of plus nx power n minus 1 into d by dt of 60 is 0. Do this differentiation and find t. because there is no place for me to do. Okay, I'll just continue here. This is nothing but 2 into this is plus 2 into 60. That means you get 0.32. After this, I continued here. Anyway, you can do it. Do.
We asked to find velocity of air with respect to the earth.
You'll do that. Wait. That is easy.
Okay, sir.
Some boy asked how to do the method by another method. Just I'm clearing his doubt. Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Return this.
1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
Finish it this.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Sir,
Yeah, tell.
while differentiating it, first can't we do it as Can't we expand minus 4 minus 80 whole square, sir? Can't we first expand it and then differentiate?
Now you can differentiate, you can expand this and do it. That also you can do. Or you can do this way. You can use a minus b whole square, expand it and differentiate if you want. You'll get the same thing. Check up.
You can tell, sir.
Because this one and expansion both are same, no? Right. Now, what is it you got? L is how much? 4 minus 80 whole square plus 60 is the separation at any time t. Okay. Now separation is minimum. Minimum distance is this. So that minimum separation, if you do it, you get around 2.4 kilometers. Understood? Somebody asked for second method, no? Hello? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, sir.
Then he has asked the second method. What is it? Velocity of?
The magnitude of velocity of
Yeah.
A with respect to the
Velocity of A is 8I only, no? And velocity of B is 6J only, no? 6 minus A. A with respect to B is nothing but these are with respect to ground only. Nothing is mentioned. Once again, I am saying it is with respect to ground only. Now we have taken this as I cap. Now 8I 6J. Okay, this is VAB now. Now you can see what is the magnitude. Is asking only magnitude, I think. So suppose this is theta. Now we can draw one triangle and ascertain the angle. That means theta is how much? 37 degrees. Okay. So therefore, VAB, which direction? North of east. Understood this? Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Following, sir.
So this Sunday I can expect some good performance. No, with that standard paper, not with easy paper. Anybody are getting 70, 80 marks when in this paper? Physics? No. 60 only are getting. No, even 60 hours you are not getting.
60 I get, sir.
Hmm?
Getting
60 I get, sir.
60. Okay. Right. Finish with this. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
In yesterday, I think on assignment, I posted relative motion also is there in that, along with projectiles. So projectiles we did not do. Kinematics is a big chapter. Many sections are there. Projectile is different. You do after relative motion and that. That example, side headings are there in exercise and all do it. And don't go to the solution immediately. Try yourself, others take the help. Finished?
1 minute, sir.
Fast. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Not done this.
Sir, can you please move that tablet in between, sir?
One second, camera should adjust. Now I think it's correct. It's visible now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Received.
I'll draw the figure. Wait. First note down.
Done, sir.
Shall I remove this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Finish this.
Yes, sir.
See here, what he gave, mouse is moving like this. Is the mouse. As per the question, mouse can move at a speed of how much? Do you agree with this? Then
Agree.
there's a cat here. Is a t equals to 0. Now the cat mouse is moving like that. Cat has to start like this. Okay, he's asking. He's asking what should be this this is 20 meters per second, he said. He gave the question that all, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Anyhow, suppose somewhere the cat and mouse is the point at t equals to t. Okay, let this be some x. Understood this? So I'll take the origin like this. This is the x-axis. If it has x-axis, the coordinates are x is some b. Okay. And y is given in the problem. How much is given? So this is 173. In the diagram only is given. So what will be the y? Do you agree with this or not? Okay, y will be minus 173. Any doubt is that till here? Huh?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see, suppose the cat makes sense. What will be this velocity? 20 cos alpha. What is this?
This sine alpha.
So when they meet, what are the displacement of cat?
173 meter.
Is equal to how much? Finally is d. Final minus initial, no? Final is d. Initially it is 0, no? Why? Because the coordinates of this are how much? Y-axis point, no? 173. Understood this? This is d. What is the displacement of cat in horizontal direction?
Because of
B. Mouse. Delta x is xf minus xi. Final d is also d, no? That means you can see for cat, can you tell what is the displacement you have? Vx into t. Do you agree with this? That is nothing but 20 cos alpha into t. For this fellow, 10 into t.
10 into t.
10 into t. Agreed, because I meet at time t, time of traveling with this. Now you can see both are same, no?
Yes, sir.
So from this, what is cos alpha?
And by
So
two.
he should make an angle 60 degrees with the horizontal. Understood?
Sir.
Clear? Any doubt is there?
No, sir, this is clear.
That means previous one is not clear.
So I told this part is clear, sir.
Previous one is also clear. Jesse?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, suppose finish this. Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir. Completed.
1 minute, sir.
The cat catches the mouse, right?
Hmm? That is.
Cat catches the mouse.
Yes. Well, to err is human. Sometimes typographical mistake. Conceptual errors I won't do, man. Only this typographical errors will occur.
Done, sir.
Now suppose you want this. What to do? We'll take for cat delta y equals, there is no acceleration, no? Finally, it is how much? X-axis, this is 0. Remember this, initially how much? Y component is 20 sine alpha into t. There is no acceleration. Do you agree with this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This should be minus, no? Because downward. Do you agree? Do you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
It is 173 by 20. 173 by this is 10 root 3. What is root 3? Remember? 1.732. That means 173 by 17.3. So this is around 1730 by 173. Around 10 you will get. Great. That means the cat will catch the mouse after 10 seconds. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
Sir.
Hello?
Sir.
Any doubt? Tell. You're audible. Tell.
Why are we taking delta y, sir? We should take delta x, right?
Delta x already we have taken. But the t is getting cancelled. We are getting only alpha.
Okay, sir.
Suppose you want to know where the distance from which they meet, you can take delta x also. T should be known now. You want to try also. There is no harm. We need investigative attitude from the child. Take a pen and paper, different methods you try. You're stocking up where the error is there, try to identify, have a discussion. Okay, like that it'll improve. Never accept a teacher or a book. You have your own identity, man. Utilize that. Some things I may think wrong. Yes, human beings. Okay. Simply
So they are
because I'm
saying
doing.
upward as positive.
Yeah, here I shown that. See, XY. Visible? The rounded off.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Completed? Today I leave exactly at 10:30. Don't worry.
Completed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Even terms of
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Shall I turn?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Read the question once. First, see 3 cases he has given in this. Yesterday we had done the same problem. Remember this? I'm repeating the variety, that means different method. Case 1, the man is still. The situation is this one, no? Rain is falling at 30 degrees. This is velocity of rain. If nothing is mentioned, that means it is with respect to ground only. Okay. So we are with respect to ground. Okay. See, once I think maybe by this week we'll complete this. Again, we cannot teach. Next chapter, again, these concepts will come, applications. Like vectors we are using now. Resolution of vectors we are using continuous like that. This will be used continuously. It's a linked one. This is nothing but actual or absolute. Okay. Then second case, man walks. Read the problem here. This can be split into three parts. Four K MPHIS. The man is standing still, It appears to him to fall vertically down. That means, suppose this is velocity of rain with respect to man. For example, suppose the man is walking like this. This is
minus velocity.
or you can take anyway, he is going like this, velocity of man, for example. He says it is going vertically down. Okay. Now you can see that the actual velocity cannot be changed. Can you change the actual velocity? This always remains same. You cannot change,
No, sir.
Any doubt? That means you can see from this data, you can take C. Suppose if you take I cap, this is J cap, write the velocity of rain in vector form. Can you write or not? Two components will be there now. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Man is walking, he gave a, yes. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here? Now he says in this case, when rain, VRM must be vertical. Implies which component should be there? 0?
X component.
Horizontal component.
Only Y component should be there as per the question. That means what is VRM? You're getting 8 or not?
Yes, sir. Very good.
Till here you followed? Note on this. Then he is tripling his speed. Next part. First note on this. before we got shall I turn this?
Minutes, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, can't we take velocity of man in the positive x direction?
Now you can take time, man. If you take that, you'll get, do it, you'll be annoying. You may take in any direction, there is no rule. Okay? Actually, this diagram is only not needed. Right? Shall I turn this? I told this is the most flexible subject in the entire galaxy is physics. That's why you can see this year Nobel Prize, 3 science physicists got. That means the flexibility is there that many people can do it in different versions. Different methods you do. If you have any problem, we'll discuss.
Sir,
Tell.
in the right side,
Hmm.
I didn't understand what did you do with that.
What did I do,
The
man? I
third
wrote, last day of rain, I wrote this. I wrote this, man.
Yes, sir.
After
After
that,
the third step, sir.
velocity of man, I wrote. Okay. I found this, nothing else evident. I substituted these values. I had taken minus I cap common minus j. What is the result done?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Sir,
Tell me.
I have a doubt in sir. We are sine 30 plus 4. It should be. Or minus.
Why, man? I have taken minus I common, no? I have taken minus I common.
Sir, 4 is positive, na?
But minus
Why
Vm,
minus
no?
4?
It is minus Vm, no?
Yes, sir, yes.
Velocity of man is this, no? I substitute as it is.
Yes.
Okay, man, all of you put lot of efforts. If necessary, leave that other subjects for few days. Maths and give. Otherwise, it's a problem for you. Basic stuff you're unable to do. Subtraction, all this. I'm putting my best effort. Actually, ask your seniors. I go very fast. I'll just give the concept. I'll just give a hint for a problem they'll be doing. First batch, I'm teaching each and every line. Not that you are weak. I feel that because of these online classes, you developed on phobia that you may not understand. Our mind is our boss, no? It can do wonders if you believe in it. Positive thinking. Shall I turn the page, man? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, see, the third case is the man is tripling the speed. You read that? Man speed, new speed of the man now is, I'll call it as VM. VM1 is how much? 3 times the original speed. What is the original speed, man? VM 3 is 4, no? 4 minus I. That means how much it will be? This is the case 3, no? Okay. Now you can see rain velocity cannot change. What is the rain velocity? This is rain velocity is VR sine 30 minus I cap plus VR cos 30 minus J cap. VR value is known. This is 8 into root 3 by 2. This is 4 minus I, 4 root 3. Do you agree with this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
After that, what do you have to find? Yesterday we done velocity of rain with respect to man is velocity of rain minus the new velocity of the man now. Okay. This is nothing but 4. This is unchanged minus this is nothing but
12 minus 2.
this is 4 minus 12 plus 4 root 3 minus j. This is how much? Minus 8, yeah?
Yes, sir. 8.
Do you agree with this? So, what is the angle made with positive x-axis? Tan alpha is what? Y component by x component. Now, with sign you have to take. Yesterday I told you to take. This is how much? Minus root 3 by 2. Do you agree with this or not? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
This is the angle made. That means tan 180 minus alpha is how much? Can I write like this?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, sir. So we can write, sir.
Yes, sir.
180 minus alpha is how much? Tan inverse root 3 by 2. So what is alpha?
180 minus tan inverse.
This is the angle made with which axis? Positive axis. 180 minus means this one, you know. Understood this? This is the positive x-axis. Yesterday we discussed this. Remember, always tan theta is ay by x means that theta is angle made with positive x-axis measured in the anti-clockwise sense. Remember, any vector is there. Suppose this is a bar. This has 2 components. If you take this as theta, tan theta is ay by ax. Understood this? This should be taken with signs. What are this? No, rain cannot fall like this. No, it should fall like this. So extend this. Okay, what will be this angle theta? Rain falls like this at 180 minus alpha. What is it? 180 minus alpha. Tan
Tan
inverse
inverse
root 3 by 2.
root 3 by.
Complete this.
One minute, sir. One minute.
Suppose, sir, all these headaches I don't want. You can do it by this way. Look at this. What is VRM you got? 8i minus 4 root 3j. Just mark that. 8i comes which side? This is 8i. What is this? 4 root 3 minus j. So this is a vector now. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
This is theta. What is tan theta, man?
4 root 3 by 8.
By 8. How much it comes to? Same thing you got now here.
Yes, sir.
Any way you can do. That's why most friendly subject in the universe. Say I'm from MTech stream, I know maths, physical, chemistry, and a lot of all this. Why I love this subject is it doesn't need any assumptions and all. Straight away apply the concepts, it will happen. This is something which happens. There is no pseudoistic thinking about this. Assume all that, nothing will be there. We don't assume anything. Everything is reality.
Sir,
Tell.
in that we got tan alpha is minus root 3 by 2, sir. Then how did we get tan 180 minus alpha as root 3 by 2?
Yes, man. What is this can be written as hopeless you finish mathematics now. I can write like this now. If you take minus common,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what is this? Tan 180 minus alpha 1 now?
Yes, sir. What is?
You claim that you finished trigonometry and all. Huh? Right. Take the last column for today's class by 10:30 early. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Can I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
Right. Take down this question. Is it clear now? Now?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Already I've done this. Do it. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Those who copied, just finish that simple problem. Already I've done many problems. Finish this? Right. You can do it. This is the river bank. As you know, the point of starting is this. The man should swim like this. This velocity of boat with respect to ground. River. So this is river. This is velocity of river. This is theta. What you'll do? You'll express like this. Remember this. After that, remember several times we have done this. Got this? Okay, this is L. Understood this? Now, time of crossing the river is nothing but displacement with respect to ground, velocity of the boat should be in the same direction with respect to the same reference frame. This is L. You have what is asking first question? Shortest time only, no? Okay, shortest path. Theta should be equal to 0 and shortest time, sorry. And minimum time of crossing is, that means that fellow has to swim in this way. Remember all that story? This is a man with respect to R. Okay, in this case, width of the river is given or not?
Not given, sir.
Not given, sir.
There is no printing in it. There is a mistake in it. Okay. That somewhere it missed. Okay, we leave like this. Again, here this is 4. You know the method, no? Calculation. Again, when we got width of the river, you cannot solve this problem.